Noah. Muscle Man, setting a record in shot put, aka Cash Tyler. Learning about everything I need to know about fishing, thanks to William, Emery, and Drayden. Shout out to Demetro, the Nat King, somehow always awake, but also definitely asleep. A true talent.
Cheering them on and yelling at them for many years. The award goes to Cash Tyler and Vivian Con Austin.
Good evening, parents, families, teachers, staff, and of course my fellow graduates. My name is Alexander, and I am truly honored to be standing here today, representing Ms. Bennett's graduating class of 2025. This moment isn't just mine, it belongs to every single one of us sitting here. It's hard to believe that our time at Madonna della Libra has come to an end. It's hard to believe that, it feels like just yesterday we were walking into our graded classrooms for the first time. Nervous but excited about what the year would bring. Now, here we are, graduating. Our principals, teachers, support staff, and most importantly, our families. They've been our biggest supporters, our motivators, and our guides. Without them, this day wouldn't be possible. Let's take a moment to say thank you and truly appreciate all they've done for us. Some of us walked into Madonna della Libra in kindergarten, unsure of what school would be like. We were small, curious, and maybe a little scared. But we quickly found friends, learned how to share, and discovered how fun learning can be. As the years went by, the challenges got tougher, the math problems got harder, and the essays got longer, and the expectations kept rising. But we kept rising too. We grew, we learned, we adapted. We made mistakes, we stumbled, but we also got back up. We found strength in each other and in the support of our amazing teachers. We created memories that will stay with us for a lifetime. Whether it was through sports, even though it wasn't a flex because we never won anything. School events such as Arts After School, Jump Rope for Art, Christmas concerts, Harry Fox Hunt, and Winter Wonderland. Class trips to Camp Southwick, the factory, and our own individual field trips to the hallways when we were supposed to be in class. Sharing fruit walks with Aaliyah, or just laughing with friends during lunch and soccer at recess. Ms. Bennett taught us about respect. She was patient, never raising her voice, made us wait for hours. Just kidding, maybe a minute. The power of teamwork, and we made her broke from buying Starbucks daily to survive our class. Thank you for being a great teacher. Between tests, projects, and meeting Ms. Bennett's famous deadlines, we had to push ourselves harder than ever before. But in doing so, we also discovered just how much we're capable of. We've had opportunities to try new things, to lead, to compete in track and field, and join clubs and teams that made school more than just school. It made it fun. This moment marks the end of one chapter, but it's also the beginning of something new. High school is just around the corner. No matter where we go or what high school we attend, we will always carry the spirit of a graduate with us. The friendships we made here, the lessons we've learned, and the memories we've created, they will all stay with us forever. As we look ahead, I want to leave you the words of Mark Twain, who once said, 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones that you did do. So throw off the bow lines, sail away from safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, dream, discover. On behalf of the graduating class of 2025, I want to thank our teachers, principals, vice principals, custodians, and every staff member who made this school feel like a second home to us. Your kindness, patience, and dedication made all the difference in our lives. Congrats to the class of 2025. We made it.
Wala pa si Sander? Alexander yan.